welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is Grip Edge's 6-piece RPT 3/8" drive low profile SAE hex dual action driver set, which is just 1/1/16 inch long and up to 43% shorter than standard bit sockets. Next is the John Dow Industries centralized fluid evacuation system, which is built directly into the service facility, designed to provide a cleaner and safer work environment, faster service turnaround, and higher customer satisfaction. Third tool is Mayhew's Tools' Dominator Pro 34-inch heavy-duty pry bar. This pry bar is designed to be struck without damaging the handle, which also serves as a shock absorber, reducing handle fatigue. Next is Sonic Tools' Next Ratchet Set, which is a 15-piece collection designed with an ergonomic thermoplastic grip that ensures optimal hand contact. Finally, our last tool is a 12-piece punch and chisel set from Kinetics, which includes 3 8-inch cold chisels, 2 center punches, 2 tapered punches, and 5 pin punches. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. As always, if any of these products piqued your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletters and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.